Currently in Oklahoma, there are efforts underway by the Republican leadership at the Oklahoma Senate to pass significant and broad sweeping reforms that will change the way civil court cases are handled in Oklahoma. Despite the fact that lawsuit reform had already been passed 2 years ago in 2009, the Oklahoma Republican leadership is pursuing new laws that would further limit the ability of Oklahoma consumers to seek redress in the civil court system if they are the victim of catastrophic injury or death as the result of the negligence of a corporation or a corporation's employee. I'm going to give you 2 examples of the types of reforms that the leadership is proposing in the Senate and in the House that will negatively affect Oklahomans' rights. The first is a $250,000 arbitrary, one-size-fits-all cap on non-economic damages in cases. What this means is no matter how catastrophic you, your child, your wife, your mother or father or loved one is injured due to the negligent or reckless conduct of an out-of-state corporation, a trucking company, a product manufacturer, a hospital, etc. No matter how bad those injuries are and no matter how negligent their conduct was, one-size-fits-all, $250,000 limit on the most a jury could ever award. Now what this does to the jury system is it takes away the autonomy of the judicial branch completely and puts it in the hands of politicians and legislatures. This is unfair to Oklahoma, it's unconstitutional, and something must be done to stop it. The second example of these draconian so-called tort reform measures that are being implemented by the Oklahoma Republican leadership is changes to the collateral source rule. The collateral source rule in litigation serves to protect and balance the rights of plaintiffs and defendants in civil litigation. What changes they are suggesting would do is give a negligent defendant's insurance company credit for insurance or other collateral source payment options of an injured Oklahoman. So in other words, the insurance company for the negligent foreign corporation gets a benefit by your paying premiums to another insurance company. And who is left out in the cold? The injured Oklahoman. Here at Nick's Law Group, we, along with the Oklahoma Association for Justice and other Oklahoma consumer advocacy groups, are working diligently to inform Oklahomans about the crippling effect these changes would have on the Oklahoma civil court system and the ability of injured Oklahomans to seek justice in the courts. If you would like more information on these changes and these laws, please contact Nick's Law Group at 405-509-2000 or visit the Nick's Law Group Facebook page for additional information.